A retractable extension cord offers convenient, tangle-free power access, saves space, and improves safety in workspaces or homes. Before purchasing the best retractable extension cord, you should consider 3 key factors. Factors to consider: 1. Cord length and gauge. 2. Retracting mechanism and build quality. 3. Power capacity and outlets. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best retractable extension cord to help you understand everything you need to know in a simple and clear way, making it easier for you to make the right choice. If you want to know the latest prices and more details about the products mentioned in this video, check the links in the description box below. So, let's get started. Starting with our first product, Vevor Retractable Extension Cord Reel. The Vevor Retractable Extension Cord Reel is a heavy-duty solution for demanding workspaces. Featuring a 45-foot 12 AWG/3C stow cord, it withstands harsh elements like water, oil, and chemicals, and remains flexible from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Housed in a tough PP case, it's rated for 15A divided by 125V divided by 1875W, offering extended reach and reliable power. Its automatic retraction system smoothly pulls in the cord without tangles, while a ratchet lock lets you secure the length you need. The adjustable cord stopper and triple outlet ensure constant access to power. Wall or ceiling mounting is easy with the 180-degree swivel bracket, saving floor space and allowing flexible cord positioning. Designed for safety and convenience, the lighted triple outlet helps in dim workspaces, while the 15A circuit breaker protects against overloads and shorts. Ideal for garages, workshops, and job sites, this reel is perfect for tools like drills, saws, and lights. A great addition for professionals and DIYers needing durable, long-range power access. Now, our second product is Flexzilla Retractable Extension. This retractable extension cord reel is a practical and durable solution for indoor power needs. It features a power indicator light and a lighted triple tap outlet, giving you plenty of capacity and visibility, even in low-light environments. A built-in circuit breaker with a reset button helps prevent blown fuses and makes it easy to reset the circuit right at the reel. The 14/3 AWG stow oil-resistant cord remains flexible in low temperatures and resists oil, water, and sunlight. The 5 feet lead-in cord and adjustable cord stopper keep the outlets within easy reach, while the cord locks out in 1-foot increments for convenience and precision. A swivel mounting bracket allows the reel to pivot toward your workspace and can be mounted on either a wall or ceiling. With a rating of 13A divided by 125V divided by 1625W, this reel is QLess listed and recommended for dry, indoor use, making it ideal for garages, workshops, or utility rooms where reliable and tidy power access is needed. Moving on to the third product, Black+Decker Retractable Extension Cord Reel. The Black+Decker Retractable Extension Cord Reel is a compact and practical power solution for home use. Equipped with a 16 AWG cable and 4 grounded outlets, it's perfect for powering small appliances or tools in tight spaces, such as apartments, offices, or workshops. This cord reel ensures safety with a built-in circuit breaker that automatically shuts off when the rated 10A divided by 125V divided by 1250W limit is exceeded, protecting your devices from electrical overload. Its 20 feet retractable cord includes a tangle-free rewind wheel, making setup and cleanup simple and mess-free. Designed for convenience, the unit features a slim, portable design with a built-in handle for easy storage and mobility. Whether you're working in the living room, garage, or kitchen, this cord reel provides reliable access to power where you need it most. ETL certified and backed by a 3-year warranty, the Black+Decker Retractable Extension Cord Reel offers dependable performance and a user-friendly design that keeps your space tidy and powered. At number 4, Derjly Retractable Extension Cord. The Retractable Power Strip is a compact, stylish, and highly functional charging solution ideal for both home and travel. With a 5 feet retractable cord, it allows you to adjust the length as needed, helping reduce clutter and optimize space. When not in use, simply retract it for easy storage or portability. Equipped with 9-in-1 charging options, this power strip can simultaneously charge smartphones, tablets, laptops, and more, making it a must-have for modern households and tech-savvy travelers. Whether you're in a hotel, airport, or campsite, it ensures all your devices stay powered efficiently. For peace of mind, it features built-in overload, short circuit, and overheating protection. If the power load exceeds the rated limit, it automatically shuts off to prevent electrical hazards like fires. Aesthetically, the sleek, modern design blends well with any home or office decor. The combination of convenience, safety, and a compact form factor makes this retractable power strip a smart, travel-friendly charging hub. And finally, our last pick is Black+Decker 50 feet Retractable Extension Cord Reel. The Black+Decker 50-foot extension cord reel is a reliable, heavy-duty solution for outdoor power needs. With 4 grounded outlets and a durable 14 AWG cable, it ensures you have power where it matters, perfect for tools like lawn mowers, drills, or snowblowers. Its 50-foot length gives you the reach to cover large areas like gardens or backyards, and the Tangle-Free winding handle with an auto-locking system makes cord management hassle-free. The easy grip design enhances portability and ensures quick storage after use. A built-in circuit breaker offers overload protection, automatically shutting off when the rated current or voltage is exceeded, keeping your devices safe. An on-off switch with light indicator provides added convenience and control. Compact yet powerful, this reel is CSA certified and rated for 13A divided by 125V divided by 1625W, making it a dependable outdoor extension solution. With a 3-year warranty, it's a smart investment for both homeowners and DIYers looking for durable, mobile power distribution. So, what do you think about this video? If you found it helpful in making your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.